Looking for the top penny stocks in 2024? Look no further! Here are 4 promising options. First up is Global Capital Markets Ltd, a non-banking financial company with an impressive 5-year KGR of 145.34% and a market cap of Rs 43 crore won. This company is definitely worth considering. Next, we have Comfort Intech Ltd engaged in trading various goods with a remarkable 5-year KGR of 139.39% and a market cap of Rs 54 crore won. Investing in this company may bring great returns. Standard Capital Markets Ltd offers financial services and has shown a 5-year KGR of 127.79% with a market cap of Rs 31 crore won. This company has the potential to be a smart investment choice. Lastly, Pressure Sensitive Systems India Ltd specializes in electrical components and equipment. With a return on equity of 128.05% and a market cap of Rs 9480 crore 2, this company is definitely one to keep an eye on. Remember, investing in penny stocks carries risks. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and carefully consider your investment objectives and risk appetite before making a decision too. Good luck with your investment journey.